So this is the Pfeil Drawknife that I was waiting for. Previously compared to Cherries and Stubai Drawknives, and this is Pfeil Swiss made. Yeah, really nice, a bit more expensive, well, about twice as expensive as the Stubai, and I just got it and going to give it a try without sharpening. So it's cutting, but not particularly well. It looks like a steep angle there. Yeah, you can see that this is still riding on the bevel. This is cutting, and not sure what the angle is, but it's maybe 40 degree, 45 degree. Right, I'm going to sharpen that off camera and see what that does. Said I wouldn't show you the sharpening, but I want to show you something. Not sure you can pick that up on the microphone, but it's jagged. So sounds like a very coarse secondary bevel grind, and it's really catching on the sharpening pedal. And it's not getting better, which to me sounds like there is this back bevel grinding. Yeah, I think I can see that, maybe you can't, but that's a fairly steep back bevel, and yeah, it's not wide, so I will not be able to register on it, but it's noticeable, and it's probably coarse. I'll have to get the magnifying glass. Let's see if the camera can pick that up here. Yeah, I think you may be able to see that at one point or another. And what I think is it's ground coarsely on the back side, and I'll have to get rid of that by sharpening the bevel. Right, so after sharpening, let's see how it performs. Yeah, same, I don't want to call it an issue, but behavior as with the two Cherries and Stubai Drawknife, that the back is flat or it's very slightly hollow, and therefore Drawknife cannot scoop. It can only cut down, and you have to use the bevel down to be able to steer the cut there. Right, so steep angle, as we talked about earlier. I think I'm not as sharp yet as I should be. I mean, I can carve a knot a little bit, but or maybe it's the angle. The bevel angle is steep. I'll have to check that. I have used the strop once more, and Yeah, that's more like it. I would call that sharp. Very flat and smooth. Nothing to complain there. I have another draw knife that I can show, which is the one by the Swedish manufacturer, Svante Djärv. I probably butchered that, but yeah. So this one, I have sharpened it. It's been a while. I haven't used it all that much. This one actually seems like it is bevel up. Let's see. Somewhere in between. So this is too steep for a true bevel down draw knife. And this might be, yeah, it's a little bit steep for a bevel up one, but it works. It works well. Yeah, since I've had it here, I should use it a little more. I'm used to the other style here, which has this thinner blade. The back is thicker. This one is equal thickness. But yeah, both good tools, both need sharpening. I want to do a quick comparison between the Pfeil and the Stubai one, just from the visually fairly similar, a little bit nicer handles on the Pfeil, and let's see, considerably stronger curve on the Pfeil, and a little bit different alignment of the handle in relation to the blade. I'm not sure how much of a difference that will make, but it's noteworthy. Both have screwed tangs and handles. Yeah, traditionally they are bent, but it's certainly a manufacturing improvement or optimization. Finish is similar even, so both are good draw knives from what I can tell with the little testing I did.